There's nobody I would trust my business with besides Rainbow International. My name's Sarah Cowman. I'm a real estate broker here in Winterset. I own Homefront Real Estate down on the square. I recommend Rainbow all the time to everybody. They're the best at their job and they're just a great bunch of people. For my business, I get called all the time from people looking for somebody to clean carpets or have duct cleaning done. Rainbow does an excellent job of doing that. They've done that for me in my own personal home. I've had some clients have unfortunate experiences where their basement's flooded, and Rainbow is always my first recommendation. I think that the team works together so well and they have really good camaraderie. They seem like a family. They get along super well and it's just like having a friend come over and work with you.
Teamwork here at Rainbow International is outstanding. We all work together. Everybody works hard to accomplish the goal.
We love helping people. That's my favorite part, is watching them when they're down and when you walk into a disaster and helping them get back up on their feet again.
Rainbow is very good at caring for the customer and trying to look at the problem through the customer's eyes and coming up with common sense solutions that they can see right away is going to work for them.
They're trustworthy, honest, hardworking. Nobody else that I would trust to come do a job for me in my own personal residence. They're awesome.